Namaste dosto. Trust you all are doing good. I'm doing great as well. So I'm back with another message, and the message is that best ways to think in English. Now, there are ways actually that how we start thinking everything, whatever we do, we say, we utter any single word, the activities we do, the action we take, or any work we want to impart, also on that we try to make it in English only. How? Let us understand. So there are 5 points which I have been practicing from last maybe over 2 decades now, I would say. So there are 5 points. The first is immersion, the second is simple sentences, third is avoid long and complex sentences, and the fourth is don't be lazy, and fifth is don't be afraid of making mistakes. So now we will explain them one by one. Now the first is immersion. Now we need to understand immersion का जो मतलब होता है डूब जाना. Let us understand it. Immersion rods होती हैं हमारे घर में आजकल पानी गर्म करने के लिए, जिसमें आप हाथ डालें तो करंट नहीं लगता है आपको. So until and unless we immerse in this English, हम जो भी करने की कोशिश करें उसको बोलने की कोशिश करें, करने की कोशिश करें इंग्लिश में ही, हमें वो हेल्प नहीं मिलेगी, हम उस तरफ नहीं बढ़ पाएंगे. मतलब हमें उसमें डूबना पड़ेगा. सो दैट्स व्हाट इमर्शन इज़ all about. So stop thinking or translating whatever you're trying to say in Hindi. Stop it. Okay. The second, simple sentences. Try to make it as simple as you can, as easiest as you can. You can read books, you can listen to the news, the radio, the audio podcast, or any video also. Try to take out the words or maybe small sentences which hits you, means which you think that you get it, you understand it. Start writing them down and start practicing it. Okay. And then the third is the that avoid making the long sentences or the complex one. Okay. So you don't have to make long sentences or the complex. What it means is कि आपको heavy words की तरफ नहीं जाना है, जितने simple हो सके उतना उसको simple रखें. If you remember a few days back I had mentioned in one of my video कि सरलतम का अभ्यास करें और न्यूनतम से आप शुरू करें. मीन्स न्यूनतम से जब आप शुरू करेंगे और उसमें भी सरलतम का अभ्यास करेंगे, so that you try to do anything but look for something which is very small. एंड उस स्मॉल में भी जो आपको सबसे ईजी लगता है, स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग दैम. दैट विल लीड्स यू टू अ ह्यूज रिजल्ट. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल इफ़ आई विल टेल यू दैट, इफ़ आई नीड टू टेल यू कि कोई माइक पे बात कर रहा है और उस पर कुछ गड़गड़ाहट की आवाज़ आ रही है. नाउ इफ़ आई नीड टू से दैट इन इंग्लिश, मे बी समबडी विल से, ओ देयर इज़ अ डिस्टर्बेंस इन कनेक्शन मे बी, or maybe the mic is not working well. So in technical language there is a word for it which is called reverberation. Now you don't have to use that big words. If you can, if you are comfortable with them catching such words, open for it, you're open to it, to do it, but start with something which is very simple. Because see what happens, if you try to go for these heavy words, you may get irritated sometimes. They are very heavy, how can I remember them? Okay, so go slowly, it will take time. Now let's take an example कि जब हम तीसरी चौथी क्लास से जब हम इंग्लिश पढ़ना शुरू कर रहे हैं और 12th तक जाते जाते भी हमें सिर्फ अपने सब्जेक्ट में पास होना आया है, बाकी बात करना नहीं आया. सो देयर इज़ समथिंग रॉन्ग जो हम सही नहीं कर रहे हैं. आप में कुछ गलत नहीं है, बट यू जस्ट नीड टू फॉलो द राइट वे. एंड दैट राइट वे, आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट इज़ 100% राइट, बट फॉर मी इट्स बीन absolutely more than 100% right, which I am practicing with myself. Okay. And then number 4 is don't be lazy. Now when you be practicing, possibly what happens when we start doing something new, हम बड़े उत्साहित रहते हैं. 1 दिन 2 दिन 3 4 हफ्ता भर 15 दिन, महीना कोई मुश्किल से निकाल पाता है. छोड़ यार, कुछ नहीं हो रहा. You don't have to be like that. That's a laziness. If you get stuck somewhere, that if you don't know the meaning of that word, if you don't find right word for it, start looking forward for it. start writing it in your diary. Make one diary in which you can put your day by day, हर दिन का आपका उसमें progress जो है job card जैसे होता है और आपका report card जैसे होता है. Start making it for yourself. See your improvement day by day. It will be a great that measuring tool for yourself, wherein you be the judge of your own developments. And the fifth is, don't be afraid of making mistakes. The more the mistakes you be making while speaking in an English, while looking forward for new words or so, the more the research you be doing, the more new words you be bringing in. So don't be shy, right? Because किसी एक बड़े आदमी ने कहा था कि it is okay कि किसी कहीं पे हम गए हैं वहाँ पे 5 मिनट तक हम मूर्ख बन के रहें, rather than कि हम ज़िंदगी भर मूर्ख बने रहें. So it is good to be fool in a 5 minutes situation somewhere, rather than being fool for rest of our life. So choice is yours, people. I wish you luck and happy learning ahead, and do let me know if I can be any best assistance to you all. But before I leave, let's do the recap of the 5 points I already said. The immersions is 1. Number 2, simple sentences. Number 3, avoid complex and big sentences. Number 4, don't be lazy. Number 5, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Thank you so much.